We started the Camogie Club here in 1973. Girls who have brothers hurling thought they might make a go of it, and they asked us to start the club, which we did. And I was chairperson, Tony O'Neill was secretary, and he was trainer as well. For me and for my family, at the time it started, it was an outlet because I had a daughter killed on the road in an accident, and we just decided that here we're behind this, and it got us out amongst the people, and we kept going from there. And I've been here around ever since. The reason we were so successful was that 2 players from Killer were already playing with Youghal, who had a senior team at the time, Marion Sweeney and Pat Maloney, and they came back to the club, and from then on it was all systems go. I could be here 4 or 5 nights a week. You'd have the young kids 2 nights, and then you'd have the under-18s, and then you'd have the seniors, you know. So it's always nice to be around. The club didn't tell me that my name was in for it even, and I was more than surprised when it was announced that I'd won it. I was amazed, I was really stunned. I can see the club going from strength to strength. We have a good senior team, and the younger ones, the 18s and 16s and 14s, they're all good players. Some great talent coming up.